Hey, Damian Ross from the Self-Defense Company, and today we're going to talk about how to really hit a guy in the nuts. Now, a lot of what you see out there is mostly they're hitting at the nuts, but to illustrate the effectiveness and what you really need to do to attack these guys, I have my speed bag. And I like to call this section your testicles and you. So if you think about it, your testicles, how many times can I say that, are like a speed bag. So when you hit them, they're kind of designed to move out of the way, shuck and jive, and kind of get, just sidestep whatever's coming at them. I mean, when we competed in judo, we, traditionally you didn't wear underwear specifically for this reason. Because when you did get hit, and you did, you wanted things to be able to move. You didn't want them compact, because that's when it causes the damage. So when we're attacking the testicles, you need to either smash them straight up or seize them, squeeze them, and pull them down. So these are the two primary factors in how you're going to cause damage. Now, I know every time we do a hit the nuts thing, there's always someone, Iron Balls McGinty, talking about how he can withstand getting the hits in the nuts, hitting the nuts. Please, I don't want to hear about it. Too much information. All right. So for the rest of normal people out here, when you're getting it, when you're attacking this area of the male anatomy, you need to either smash them up or pull them down. And now we're going to go to the training dummy, and I'm show you exactly how to practice this. Okay, here we are with our ugly red training dummy. Again, and anything is really, you want to recreate this surface when you're training. Any technique has got to come directly straight up into the testicles. You'll see a lot of people kicking at them. This is kicking the bladder. This is kicking the pelvic bone. This is not doing the damage that you want it to do. What you want to do is drive straight up. And in order to do that, whether it's what we call a saddle kick, is when you're kicking with the saddle part of your shoe, driving it straight up, or the knee, and the knee has got to come in, drive straight up, and I put my foot down behind my target. Remember that imaginary line that intersects perpendicular in between them. We want to step past that point. We want to make sure that we're driving up and through. And I weight this down. I like having things down. I like working in a messy environment because this is life. It's not clean. I want my foot to come down and feel something uneven. Okay? I want to feel this. This is important to me. This is important to your training. You train where you live. The world we live in is not clean. Especially some not cleaner than others. Anyway, so practicing, driving the knee straight up and bring that foot down past him using the saddle kick. Same thing, foot past him. Hand strikes, edge of hand, perfectly fitting up into it. You can do a web of hand blow too. Driving it straight up. Again, you're going to have exposure with your thumb, so you're going to have to practice it, train it. It may not feel great to you. But remember, when you're training, just straight up, smash them up, pull them off. This is how to really hit a guy in the nuts. I'm not going to do it. So screw you guys if you think I'm going to hit my buddy Bill in the nuts. So I might. It's not like I haven't.
I get a raise.
It's doubled. So, like we said before, you're hitting straight up into the fork. We're driving that knee in and moving past him. Okay? When we're striking, either with the edge of hand straight up, we got to smash those nuts. How did I do that? Yeah, smash those nuts against the pelvic bone. Okay, so there's really, you're either smashing them or pulling them. What happens is you're actually going to put them into shock because these things tend to be really sensitive. And again, I know there's probably some freak there posting, fine. If you want to come by, we'll kick you in the nuts, we'll have a good time. All right? No, we won't. Don't come near me. So anyway, when you're grabbing, or like if you look at primates, right, like chimpanzees, I'm like, when they attack each other, they go for two places. They go for the eyes and the genitals. Okay, this is where the two most vulnerable areas that are going to cause shock to your adversary. And I suggest you seriously consider doing this. Okay, and adding this when you can. You're attacking the eyes, you're gouging the eyes, you're gripping. When we go and we grab the testicles, we're coming straight up and turning in. So I won't grab it though, but you know, up, grab it. Okay, and then real quickly, got my little marble bag. Up, grab. Just It's seen better days, but that's it. Just coming, hitting, wrapping up. So again, attacking straight up in the target, coming up, not at. I can't poke at this. This hits the bladder. This doesn't do anything. Saddle kicking, okay, driving that knee. Yeah, one of the things to do also to set this up is when, again, this is another combination workout, but ear box, eye gouge. Anytime you're grabbing and gouging the eyes, it squares his feet up. And this bang, just allows you to continue to just work on him, to rattle in that head. Listen, if you want to be able to defend yourself and your family right now, and you don't have the time to take martial arts class for the next 3 to 5 years, or you're not as in good a shape as you used to be, you've come to the right place. You can't take a chance of trying to go toe-to-toe with someone younger or crazier than you, and you sure as heck can't let the fight go to the ground. And you don't have to. In my one-shot fight enders program, I teach you how to end a fight instantly. You will know exactly when to strike and where to strike to make sure you are the one that walks away unharmed. And it doesn't matter if you're out of shape or inexperienced. My name is Damian Ross, and for the last 30 years, I've been teaching people a lethal combat system derived from military commandos in World War II. This system isn't about ceremony, belts, or sport. This is about stopping an attacker dead in his tracks and living to talk about it. Here's just a glimpse of what you're about to learn. We're going to show you the exact target areas on your attacker that will give you an instant shock knockout. You're going to learn how to use your natural weapons to inflict maximum damage on your target without getting injured yourself. We're going to show you how to leverage your fight or flight instinct when you're in a real life and death assault. Finally, we're going to get you to increase your hitting power by 5 or even 10 times by using our force multipliers. We both know this world has gone completely crazy, and it's no longer a matter of if something's going to happen, it's a matter of when it's going to happen, and you are going to be ready for it. Click the button on this page to order One Stop Fight Enders now, and if you do it right now, I'm going to throw in 3 extremely valuable bonuses when you order today. Let's do this, and I'll see you on the inside.